This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be in a server running Natural Disaster with token drops and at least 5 active players. Once confirmed, find a safe spawn zone near the central island where tokens typically appear. Communicate immediately with teammates to claim space. You need precise timing because token spawns last short intervals. Make sure your character is unencumbered by heavy accessories, because movement and quick grabs win the race to the token. Once into mid-game, focus on positioning and reading the timer for spawn windows. Tokens often appear after the 3rd or 4th event wave. Move into cover 5 to 10 seconds before the expected spawn so you can sprint without being hit. Use 1 or 2 teammates to distract environmental hazards or other players while your designated grabber times the jump. Explain the plan clearly. A single mistimed dash costs the token, so rehearse the sprint path once before the spawn. To finish, sprint, pick up the token, and immediately retreat to your pre-planned extraction zone. Maintain cover and avoid celebratory runs through hazards. If you miss the spawn or it vanishes, don't panic. Either switch to a fresh server or wait the next token cycle and reuse the same setup. If the token clips into geometry or never appears, capture video, note server details, and report the bug to developers so it can be fixed. Otherwise, refine timing and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.